Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a Google Cloud project and enabling billing so APIs run smoothly. Once done, enable the Maps JavaScript API and Geocoding API. These provide map rendering and address lookup. Next, generate an API key in the Credentials panel. Make sure to restrict the key by adding your site domain as an HTTP referrer to prevent misuse. Save the key securely. You'll paste it into your site shortly. This gets you past setup into a reproducible, secure starting point. Now add the Maps JavaScript API script tag to your site's head, including the API key parameter so the library loads. Create a map container div in the page body and set explicit width and height in CSS so the map displays correctly. Then write an initialization function that creates a new Google Maps. Map, passing center coordinates and zoom, this renders the map. If you need a marker or info window, instantiate Google Maps marker and attach click listeners. Once working locally, commit these files. Finish by enabling any extra APIs you need, places for autocomplete, geocoding for address conversion, and directions for routing. Update your initialization to call these services where appropriate and test features on both desktop and mobile. Make sure key restrictions and quotas match your live domain, and set billing alerts to avoid interruptions. If something breaks, check the browser console for API error messages. Most issues are key restrictions, exceeded quotas, or missing billing. Fix the indicated setting and reload the page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.